Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Battlefield REDSEC crashes at startup, not launching, stuck on loading screen, freezing problem, lagging issue, stuck on loading screen, won't launch problem, or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So here are the fixes. The first solution is to restart your PlayStation. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and then press power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires, turn on your PlayStation and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and go to restore license. Select Battlefield REDSEC game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm, and after this launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 3 is to log out and log in. So log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and account, other, sign out, wait for a few minutes and then log in back and then launch the game and check. If you have another secondary account, then log in with that and check if that works or not. Next solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to the PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In the Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then launch the game and check which one works for you. Solution 5 is to enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI type. Turn off enable HDCP. Now check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. Next solution is to change console language. So open your PS5 settings and navigate to system. Go to the language section, then select your current language, then try changing it to English or any other language and see if that works or not. Solution 7 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from wall socket. Now press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. Now launch Battlefield REDSEC and check if the problem is solved or not. Next solution is to delete game data and cache. But please take a note, you must back up your save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data, game/app settings, select save data PS5 and navigate to console storage delete. Now choose Battlefield REDSEC and then select delete, OK. Now restart your console, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 9 is to change DNS servers. Open PlayStation settings and navigate to network, set up internet connection. Choose your internet type and select your internet connection when prompted. Then select custom and choose automatic option for the IP address. Choose don't specify for DHCP hostname. Now in the DNS settings, choose manual and enter the primary DNS as 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and for the proxy server choose don't use. Now launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1. Save it and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. And the last solution is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Battlefield REDSEC game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to solve Battlefield REDSEC game crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PS5 console. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.